to travel and explore new things, right? So today I'm going to introduce one such gadget that will help you in your adventures. That is iLumi. The iLumi IG1060 gesture control light eliminates your lifestyle, so lighten up your mood with this portable and chargeable gesture control lamp that changes colors according to your wish. Its warm lighting and intelligent sensor protects your sight and gives you a sense of zen. In the package, you will get one lamp with a micro USB cable and one clamp to hang it on the wall. Portable handy lamp controlled by the hand gesture. Use your hand gesture to control the colors or the brightness. This gesture lamp has 7 colors to change from orange, purple, green, yellow, blue, pink to red. It is an eco-friendly and portable mood lamp with non-touch technology. This round LED light is great to be used at your home's desktop for gifting purpose also. You can use it for parties, travel, and it also works greatly as an emergency light, and you can use it while hiking or on picnic. You first have to turn it on by pressing the power on button and then just wear it or slide your hand across the lamp to turn it on. For adjusting the brightness in while light mode, place your hands 200 or 300 mm of the LED lamp to adjust the brightness. And for changing its color, place or wave your hand off the LED light to change the color. This rechargeable warm light lasts with 350 hours of standby time and 12 hours of use on full charge. The iLumi IG1060 comes with a period of 1 year warranty. So this is it for this video. Just do not forget to drop your comments on how you find this gadget. We also avail a special discount link just for you. Just in case you love to check out one for yourself in the description box of this video so that you can also grab the discounts like others are getting. So if you like this video and the information, then hit the like button and do subscribe our channel. With this, tap to the bell icon to not miss the very next upload. Because in the coming days, we are going to bring some more product reviews and pieces of information like this. So this is Divya from Tegonity Studio. Catch you soon with some more amazing gadget reviews. Till then, goodbye. Take care.